Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome back to my office, and today I have a 3-pack of iPhone cables. So it says here it's a DC 3-pack braided cables. So you can see it's got 3 different cables with 3 different colors. As far as the colors, you'll have to tell me due to the fact that I can't tell colors too much, but they are different sizes from each other. Let me just open this up, take them all out. So there's the empty bag. I don't need that anymore. And so here we go. We have 3 different sizes. I'm guessing, can't remember what sizes they were, but let's look at it and see. And these are pretty inexpensive. You know, you get like nowadays, you know, some of these ones you get like a 3-pack and they're like $8 or $10 or something. So I'm guessing this is 3 feet or yeah, it's 3 feet probably. It's half my body height. So there's 3 feet one there. Let's see how big this one is. This looks like it's the middle-sized one. So we'll see how far this will get. I hate these little things, man. It's so hard to take them off. These ones aren't too bad, but it is a waste of time. Okay, so then here we go. Here's the next size one. And I like the cables. These cables, you can look at them. They're fabric-y. It feels like fabric. So let's see. So this one here is, I would say it goes 6, so it's the length of me plus another foot or so. So maybe 7 feet, I guess. Maybe 7, maybe 6.5, something like that. So that's this one here. And then I'm gonna guess this is gonna be 10 feet, but let's check it out here and see. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can get them for yourselves, and be sure to subscribe to my channel as well and like this video because I'd like to be able to know that people are actually watching these things. So here we go. So this is this one here. So I'm gonna just, definitely longer than me, but I'm gonna double it up and then see how long it goes on my body here. So it goes, yeah, it's about 5 feet on that. So it's the 10-foot cable. So we have a 3-foot, 6-foot, and 10-foot would be my guess of what these are. And you know what we're gonna do now? Let's try it out and see how they work. So I have a battery pack here. This was just some freebie thing that I had gotten at a convention at one point in time. But it is, and the way to check if it's charged is just bang it. It's got three dots. There's really not much. There's no buttons or anything on it. So let's see, and it's charging. So we have success on the 10-foot one. Let's try the next one. This one here is the 3-foot one. And let's plug this one into. Where is it? I have no idea why I have the camera up, but we'll plug it in. And there we go. This one's charging too. So we have success on 2 out of 3 so far. Let's check the 3rd one here. So we'll plug this one in. And the other end into this phone here. And there we go, 3 for 3. So we're good, we're golden. So these are good, definitely good iPhone cables. I'll be taking these with me where I go. I'm actually gonna keep the small one and the really long one with me when I travel. So I can, so the long ones for traveling are great because then you never know where the plugs are gonna be in a hotel room. So with 10 feet, you can pretty much get to almost anywhere. Sometimes I have to drape it all the way across the whole room, straight across, but hey, it works. And I got this one and this one, so I got all these. And it was, here we go, it's the DC 3-pack, and I'm not sure the particular brand or anything like that. I'll look it up and find out where I got it. So I got it from Amazon, and I'm gonna put a link to it in the description, and so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. But these are pretty nice, and it comes 3 different colors, so I guess if you have them all in a tangled mess, you'll know which one's which end to be able to untangle them. So pretty good, I like them, thumbs up for me. And links in the description, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Take care everybody, bye.